I just found $50 literally in my jeans. Fall that hard, wait. So I got the RX 200
No, okay,
here.
not that.
So here I got a Corbeau FX1, I believe this is. Racing seat, bucket racing seat. Bucket means it's fixed, does not recline. We got some nice reinforcement on the back here. 2 slots for a nice harness that I'm going to get. And 2 side slots for if you wanted to rock a 4-point harness. I don't have the harness yet, but Jesus Christ, we're gonna rock it with the stock seatbelt. I think I can do that, yeah. So it's 8:30 at night, but I can't wait. This is Matt Pace. What's up, guys? Say hello. Hello. So this is Matt Pace.
What's up, everyone?
I went to high school and college with him, and he's going to be helping us out today.
Should be fun.
Getting this.
He brought a light bar. No, you can be cinematographer. I'm the
Gaffer.
I'm the director.
I got a bunch of tape in the back.
Yeah.
Yo, Chris, just use this as your seat.
Oh, perfect.
It's right there. You can't see him at all because of this light.
I think the seat just slides out of there.
Yeah, see if you can slide it off the rail somehow.
And then I think then we'll take the rails off.
Yeah.
4 bolts, 2 in the front and 2 in the back. Slide the seat all the way back, remove the plastic caps from the bolts, and if they're still there, and remove the 2 front bolts from inside the car. Slide the seat all the way forward and repeat for the 2 rear bolts. Make sure the wire for the seatbelt buzzer is disconnected from the driver.
Wire for the seatbelt buzzer?
Yeah, I never wear my seatbelt, so it's gotta be disconnected. It's a 17 millimeter, I'm sure you already figured that out, but it's a 17 mil for all of them.
Okay, sweet. You're blocking my light.
But I'm trying to get this
Yeah, but you're blocking my light. I'm the star right now of the shot and you ruined it by blocking my light.
You're absolutely not that.
I was the star of that shot. That specific one.
I'm always the star. Are we right? Am I right?
Comment below.
That's how we put a fucking cover in a box, ladies and gentlemen.
I only have a deep socket 17.
I think I have a socket set under my rear seat. Yeah, what size do you need?
17. Nah, don't waste your time.
Don't waste your time, he said.
Socket's not gonna fit. We need a regular wrench.
We need an 80,000.
How the fuck are you supposed to get this out? There's like not even enough room to get this over it because the seat's hitting it here. No, that's weird.
God, we gotta just pull it out, I think. Rip it out.
We can't just cut it off and rip it out.
Yeah, you can.
Just weld it to the floor.
Just doing what I do best.
What's
Watching
that?
Steve. That's the bolt?
Yeah.
What kind of cancer is that? I see the issue. That does not fit.
Like there's metal on both sides of it, so you can't get a wrench around it, and it's the seat itself is right above it, so you can't get a socket on it.
Other bolts work?
Hold the seat all the way up.
It is all the way up.
So we're basically screwed. Oh shit! I see what you're saying. I don't know how the hell you get to that.
I took all my old wrenches out of my truck like yesterday, so. Yeah, I don't know how you're gonna get that out.
A spanner will work.
Maybe. That's our best bet.
He said he has this big tool set and that's as much information as he's giving me.
I have an idea. I have an idea, and we'll pretend like I sang it like Chris just did.
What
Even though we can't reach the bolts that mount the sliding bracket to the car, we should be able to reach the bolts that mount the seat itself to the sliding bracket. And if we can get the seat off, we can get to the bolts that mount the sliding bracket right to the chassis.
Damn, and then that was fucking. You see him? Right to the right there?
Oh yeah, this little pin right here.
Yeah.
Give me something. Give me needle nose pliers or something.
Just pull on it till it breaks.
That was my idea. That I was gonna go with.
Steve, do you want to see my wiener?
I do not.
Get a microscope. You need to 5 millimeter get the nuts off.
Steve, you want me to get under there and try to figure it out?
No, I'm taking this plastic shit off first.
Good
I
enough.
broke that.
Is it like a proprietary screw where we would need a special?
Well, it's German, so probably.
Just take everything has to come off anyway. Just take it off.
It can't be wrong.
Just start taking shit off.
That you need is a 17mm socket, a socket wrench, an extension, and a hammer. That's all that says.
Naturally,
You need the hammer.
You need a
gotta
hammer.
Start hitting shit.
There's a hammer in my driver's side door.
That's where it says. You just should start banging.
There's a hatchet there too. Yeah, of course.
You know what we gotta do is we gotta cut a notch out of the door here. Right here.
I don't think that's
So,
That sounds like the right thing to do.
so that we can get.
I can't be that.
Do you have a smaller 17?
Maybe.
Or an equivalent American Freedom unit that'll fit?
Freedom unit is the correct unit. Does it fit?
Yes!
Yes!
Ah! I have an idea! Mr. Krabs, I have an idea! Yes, I just cracked it loose. Look at me. We totally didn't miss that moment and we're making up for it now. Wait, we might be able to fit this one back there now.
That's possible.
Quite possibly. Nah, not a shot. And then sliding the seat all the way in the front position and pressing down on... Oh, did you press down on the raise lower sensor right there?
The raise lower sensor?
I mean the raise lower lever? Right there on the side, that raises and lowers the seat.
Oh!
Are we fucking retarded?
Yeah, that's Matt's Miata.
I thought that was a Miata.
Alright. This guy makes it seem so easy. Did you get it? You want me to try, like,
Yeah, just push on the seat.
taking the seat off?
Just push down on the front of it and pull the headrest forward. Stuff's happening!
We're taking the seat off!
Matt, you took too long. We don't need a wrench anymore.
Oh,
Got a nice leg, though.
There you go.
Yo, that seat looks off the rail from here.
My foot is literally underneath it.
This is very uncooperative.
What you got there?
That is the mounting.
Oh, the new brackets.
Yes. New brackets, all fancy and dual locking and stuff.
Very fancy.
Very
fancy.
I took everything out of the back.
So can I go drift it? Around the corner.
No.
Yesterday on the parkway doing 70, my U-joint decided, and the yoke decided to explode, and my drive shaft flew off into the side. And Matt was late 2.5 hours to work.
Let me try from another angle.
Wait, I think you need some beer. Please be twist off.
Here, I got you, bud.
Oh my god.
It says I love Idaho on it.
Steve is the Hulk now after drinking.
I am God tier mechanic, guys.
You may
Well,
rip your
that's the
seat out
test.
now.
Good.
Guys!
Weight reduction.
Steve, watch out. Steve, move!
Sorry.
Okay, wait, let me
That's way too much fun.
put it on my snap story. Just said seat delete. Matt, it doesn't fit.
That's fine. That's disappointing.
It was a little disappointing. I think I wasn't fit. Well, this was like they're still really good.
Bracket! Yeah, I think you gotta use the old hardware.
Well, because it can come with bolts. So
Then you definitely have to use the old shit.
it did. Oh, it came with an Allen key. God damn it!
Yeah, throw that shit on the ground.
Oh, we might.
My arms are tired.
The arm cranker thing.
Yeah, we need more beer. I think it's the problem. Okay, so we found the hardware to install the seat to the bracket, and it was actually already on the seat the whole time.
For real?
Come on!
Corbeau.
Why not put it in a little Ziploc baggie? Like they did with the Allen key.
That seems a little discriminatory. Discriminatory? Discriminatory, is that the word? Yeah. It's a little discriminatory.
I'm drinking another one of these orange ones.
Do it! I'm gonna have one before you drink them all.
Can you pour one down my face?
This seems right, so I'm just gonna do it.
Good day. Wow, this is warm already.
Warm, tasty beer.
Everyone kind of bail.
Yeah. Let's do it. Come on, stand up. Yeah, like.
Ow.
Alright, let's do this. You want the honors? Sure.
Just cut the door off. It'll fit better.
Oh my god, this is so lit.
Screw that one down on that other side. Yeah, I don't know what this is.
This is so fucking cool.
It's a lot harder to get out though.
Dude, just keep that in your door so when people come up to you, just whip it out.
Be like, what'd you say to me, bitch? Get maybe one ratchet, if I'm lucky, every third time I try.
Oh my god.
Now it looks like a TV. This is definitely... No, these were to the side.
Oh, here's one of my other shirts. Let's look into that. Steve, is this one of them?
Probably.
Just on top?
Yeah, that I put there.
Wait, but what about this one on the ground over here?
There's another one on the ground?
Yeah, right there.
We got him.
Where's the socket wrench, guys?
We're losing everything.
Installing a racing seat. It's 98 degrees outside.
It's like 80. It feels like 105. Okay, cool. That wasn't screwing it at all.
Closes. Split up.
This is like, oh, it fits right on, right?
Yeah.
Isn't exactly the most comfortable position either.
I commend the effort.
Thank you. We're done.
You're done! What's up, guy?
You're gonna drive away because my toolbox is right there,
Yeah.
and my camera shit's on your trunk.
Yeah, move
as
it.
well as your vape and a bunch of beers. And
Move it all.
Okay, bye.
Oh, I have no seatbelt, that's right.
Documentary. Can one of you grab one of that bolt, like goldish, silvery, coppery bolt?
I actually fit like surprisingly well right in here.
Do you?
Yeah, and the seat like in the whole cockpit and everything.
And you're not gonna bump grabbing the shifter, right?
No.
Nice.
You don't need second.
First and third.
First, third, fifth.
Third, fifth.
You ever flooring it and then like
No,
you
just
see a
the-
cop and they just from second just pop into the fourth like This racing seat was a birthday present for Chris. From me.
Yo, bitch, I got the bracket.
Oh, that's
little
right.
credit
That's right. I'm
here.
sorry. I got the seat. Matt got the bracket. We split it. We should have put this on before we bolted the seat down.
Did it come out?
Gun.
Did it come out?
Yeah.
And what's his name's out too?
Prescott?
No.
Bryant, yeah, I got a
Usually they wait for the regular season to fuck everything up, but they're just going into the preseason now.
Football.
Are you coming? My seat's fucking installed.
How do you feel about it?
Good, except I have no air in my back tire. I actually can't see anything with that light on. Can you shut that light off? Like, please?
Any final thoughts?
I want you to shut the light off. My mom is on her way home and we gotta clean up all the shit before she fucking flips out. Let's go. Go!